Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing two cases for Galaxy Note 8. One is from Spigen. It's the Rugged Armor Extra with air cushion. It has some military grade drop test. I don't know what that means, but I've seen on many products. And IPAKY. It has a ring, and if I'm not mistaken, it has some magnet. Okay, so the Spigen one I got for around 15 euros, and this one for around 11 euros, something like that. Let's unpack the Spigen one. So it's actually made in South Korea, and the installation is on top left, then right, and then you pop it on. Okay, nothing too fancy here, just a case. I don't feel the air cushions. Oh, they are virtual air cushions because they are there. It's actually a place to dent for the case. So this is the Spigen one. This is the premium tag I paid for, and this is the IPAKY. This is made in China. Let's see how China compares to South Korea. Let's turn it over. The packaging looks very promising, but I'm not interested in packaging because the packaging of my last phone, with which I'm filming right now, actually shattered my screen because of it. So this is a standard Galaxy S view, nothing fancy here. It has magnets, which actually kind of has lost their grip with the phone. I often find phone flipping down from it. So this is also, it has the ring here. Wait till it focuses. It has the ring here for holding. Actually it's multi-usable ring, but the protection on the side I don't feel the same. Okay, so let's start with IPAKY. I have here my note. This is my third note which I have possession on. I have forgotten to take off the peeling. So it actually feels pretty nice in hand. Everything is aligned. Okay. As you can see, it has a raised edges on upper and down edge. You can put it on the screen, nothing would happen. But the sides are plasticky. I don't think they absorb shock that well. And I don't know if you need but you have your standing position of the case, which is pretty nice. And you also can go in other direction to move in different positions. Okay. As feel in the hand, it's pretty good. I don't have anything to complain. The S Pen, you can pop it pretty easily. I'm very curious how the mic is heard in this. The charging port is okay. Also the jack, a small jack fits it perfectly. But I have my doubts with its own dongle. I don't think it will fit. So this is the dongle which comes, which the phone comes, and it doesn't reach the charging port, which is kind of a bummer because you can't use with large adapters or that sort of things. Okay, so next in line is the Spigen. Let's get it from the I'll be removing the back after I test the Spigen one to see which one fits better. So this is the Spigen one. Who's that handsome one? It's raised, I think, the same amount. It's raised. You can also use the sides of the buttons are aligned pretty well. And the extra rugger protects from, I don't feel the cushion here, the air cushion, but the feel in the hand is pretty good. It doesn't add too much bulk to the phone. Actually, I'm pretty used with big phones, especially on writing. I don't have long hands, but I have pretty big hands on the wide side, and I can grip it pretty well in my hand. Okay, so these are my two new cases in addition to my new phone. I hope you liked the unboxing. Like if you liked it, subscribe, and have a nice day.